Good morning, Pure Strix traders. Today is July 7th, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'm going to be giving you some of the bigger levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels as well, and then I'll be going over some of the levels on gold and also oil for you guys. So with that said, guys, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Let's go ahead and pop into it though. For S&P 500, right now you can see we kind of touched those 43, 42s. Got a little bit higher actually. Could probably move this up just a little bit, just to adjust here for a sec. Right around these 44, 45s as a level of resistance, kind of bouncing off that area. More of a major level for me down below is going to be somewhere around these 43, 25, 75s to see if we can pull back. And then below that, my next level is going to be 43.0525 and then 42.8775. So I'm going to see if the market can actually pull back to those levels. And if we do, I'm going to probably be looking for long opportunities from there. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to Wendy. She's going to give you guys some of the minor levels she has up on her chart.
Good morning. Yeah, this market has definitely rebounded from yesterday, finding the bottom there at 0550. So from that point, we move up and find our peaks to use as support. The bottom one being 43.1925. I know it's way down there, but I still have it marked lock and loaded because it really, it took a little bit of a rotation off of it for the springboard way up, but it didn't use it as support like I like to see. So I'm going to keep it marked and loaded for when the market comes down, and it will. It's just the nature of this business. Next peak up from there is 43.2975. Beautiful. Now, this is what I like to see. It's a peak, and it went way above it, went below it, went above it, and then came back down and used it as support. Perfect scenario. That's the way I like to see these peaks getting used. Next one up is 43.3625. Went above it. You can see how much it went above it. Came back down and used it as support once, twice, almost there the third time, definitely the fourth time for a nice little long opportunity. Next peak up is 42. It was resistance a couple times, and then it might be resistance again, but we want to see the market pop up with a purpose, come back down to use as support. I think the bullish momentum is going to continue. And why do I say that? Because David's resistance up there at 45.75 is a nice little double top. That double top was an epic fail. Didn't come down at all at this point in our trading game. It used the micro peak at 36.25 support. So 43.36 is support. I think it's going to continue higher. Don't bank on it. My crystal ball is not that sharp, but it does work pretty good. So we're going to keep using these micro peaks and also David's main levels to use as our trading scenario today. And we are locked and loaded. We're going to make some money. We already did. We went long at 36.25, which is a peak. And we know where it's going. It's going to test the next peak. Let's see what happens from there. All right, my man, back to you for oil and gold.
Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and pop into it. So for gold, we did pop up some levels of resistance, kind of bouncing right off of some prior resistance, acting as support right now, which is these 1801.9s. If we do hold this level, next level up again is to retest those 1806.7s. Above that, 1813.2 is my next level resistance. Below this, our support's going to come in somewhere around these 1797.8s or 1794.6s. So it's going to be some good opportunity to see if we can hold those as some supports. Below 94.6, next level support 1790.2. You can see we kind of double bottomed off that level yesterday for a nice move to the upside. So we'll see what we get as we get into the open for gold. Let's go ahead and move over into crude oil for you guys. Crude oil got into levels of resistance 74.8 or 7408, hit off that level of resistance and then kind of came back down. You can see a little bit of a head and shoulders forming right now underneath 73.84 right now. So we want to see if the market can actually pull down back to our supports of 73.24 and then below that 73.05 as a level of support. So we'll see what actually happens. There may be a level right in between, which is going to be this level 73.45 as a more closer support. So we'll look to see if oil actually moves down into those levels, but right now it's underneath these resistances. So I would be looking for a short opportunity. Other than that, guys, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.